Good morning. It's Friday, December 18th. It's about 8:30 in the morning in Texas, Paradise, Texas. It's 40 degrees. We'll do a quick walk around the exterior and do a cold start on the 1990 Mercedes-Benz 420 SEL. Body's straight, Carfax is clean. The paint's old but in good shape. It's got some old stress cracks on some of the paint areas. The wheels are a little faded. As you can see, let's see if I can dip down here, we can see it. Temperature's cold. 129,799 miles this morning. I guess according to the car, it's actually 38 degrees. Overall, the interior is in really good shape. We have a clip here and a clip there that is busted, and we have a little piece of trim that's a little bit loose right there. But other than that, I don't know if I can see it here, but our center slider with the wood is needs a little loving also. Other than that, the interior's in really good shape. Everything seems to work. All the windows will go up and down. Antenna's fine. Air works great. Now we'll take it easy until it gets some temperature in the motor. Sorry, we got a face full of sun, so hopefully the GoPro can clean some of that up. Not really noticeable on these roads, but if you go over roads that are kind of rocky, you'll hear a little bit of noise in the front end. I had it up on the lift to take a look. The rubber boots are old and need to get replaced and re-greased. That's kind of the only mechanical hit that I saw in the car, and then once that gets done, probably in alignment. 3 of the 4 Pirellis are pretty tall. Tread-wise, one of the front Pirellis is wore on the inside, I believe, from just the front end being a little loose and out of line. So, I mean, you can tell it tracks well, but it just needs a little bit of attention on the front end.